Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of carrying around a clunky teacher bag that's weighing you down? Look no further than the Rolling Teacher Bag by Prokpa, the top-rated and best seller in its class. This bag is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. With its smooth rolling wheels, you'll be gliding across the floor with ease, the soft hum of the wheels a soothing sound as you navigate through crowded hallways. The durable fabric has a sturdy feel to it, like a trusted companion that can withstand the rigors of daily use. And when you need to grab something quickly, the bag's multiple pockets and compartments make it easy to find what you need in a snap. The rustle of papers and zippers a familiar sound. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed, the popularity a testament to its quality and usefulness. One of the benefits of this bag is its ability to keep you organized, with separate compartments for your laptop, lesson plans, and grade book, the feel of everything having its own place a major stress reliever. Another benefit is its durability, with reinforced stitching and heavy-duty materials that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The sound of the zippers and buckles a reassuring click. And let's not forget about the style, with a sleek and professional design that's perfect for teachers who want to look polished and put together. The look and feel of the bag a confidence booster. In real-life use, this bag has been a lifesaver, whether you're lugging heavy textbooks or rushing to a meeting with administrators. The rolling wheel's a lifesaver on long days. It's better than other bags on the market because of its unique combination of style, functionality, and durability. The overall experience a major upgrade from flimsy or cheaply made alternatives. So if you're in the market for a new teacher bag, I highly recommend giving the Rolling if this helped. Hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.